Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today's video is going to be talking about, your boss does not, before we even say anything else, your boss does not want you to see this video. Okay? The reason why I say that is because the rest of the world, the big scam that's going on today is that business needs to be complicated. Okay? The only people business is complicated for are the people who don't understand, how to actually make things work. I know at least for me it was extremely frustrating, extremely confusing until I really figured out the strategies and the ways to actually make things easier for myself. I was speaking to a colleague. He was doing extremely well, and this is kind of where I started building this formula from. We were talking. I was like, wait. So you're working, 5, 6 hours a day, 5, 6, 8 hours, 9 hours a day, right? But you're making 7 figures, yeah? Well, you're only working 8 hours a day and you're making 7 figures? Yeah. He said, actually, I'm only working 7 hours and 8 hours a day because I want to. Theoretically, it only really takes me about 3 to 4 hours to really get results. Everything else is just gravy on top, and because I'm having so much fun, I kind of lose track of the time every single day. He was like, actually, we were doing a Zoom chat, and he was showing me his office. He's like, actually, I have like a blow-up mattress over there, because sometimes I sleep inside the office, if I feel like it, because, it's just so much fun. We're staying up doing this. Sometimes, we were up until 3 a.m. just working and doing this stuff, because it's just fun. And I'm like, what? What do you mean? It's just fun. What do you mean? He says, because once you understand exactly what it takes to be able to grow, then it becomes a game. And then it becomes, how much faster can I grow? How much bigger can I grow? How many more people can I help? How much, more can I actually do with my life? And that's when you start to be able to get that freedom that, at least that I was searching for in my life and my business, the freedom to be able to go where I want, when I want, with who I want. So if a friend, can't afford to go on a trip with me, I just say, okay, cool, here's the money to go on this trip, let's go. Or, I want to go out to lunch at a fancy steakhouse just because, just for the day. Cool. Doom. That's just a drop in the bucket. It's not any money. But on top of that, I have the time freedom to be able to go during the middle of the day. A lot of people, if you're either working a job or, as you know, you don't really have that freedom. But that's why we started a business. And that's why we work so hard to be able to go and get that control over our life. Also being able to go see our kids if we feel like it. Be able to go to their soccer game, their baseball game, and not have to worry about climbing up the corporate ladder and constantly, having to kiss someone's butt in order to get where we think we want in life, but really it's not where we want to be in life. As people who have climbed the ladder, I've observed, oftentimes if you have to do what you don't like, and you get results, you're just going to keep getting more results that you don't like. So you're always going to be having to kiss more bottoms to get to the top, and eventually even the top, you're going to be the ultimate bottom kisser, right? But when you start growing your business, which, it sounds like it's hard, at least that's what everybody's telling you so that you don't actually go jump and try it, but once you actually do, you're going to be able to move a lot faster and actually be able to get things to go for you a lot faster and smoother. If you're looking for a step-by-step way to actually do that, because, I understand, if you have like a full-time job and you're making some pretty good money, it can be hard to walk away from that job if you don't know exactly what you need to do to start moving, towards success in the shortest time possible. So if you want a step-by-step plan, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you have a great day, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to hit that share button so other people can get some benefit as well. Have a great day, take it easy, talk to you soon, and see you later.